So most people solve this question like 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 12 divided by 5 is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. In this question, we have one subtraction, one division, and one addition. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve division. Okay. Is equal to 18 minus, now 6 divided 3 is equal to 2 plus 2. Now here is one subtraction and here is one addition. So according to PEMDAS rule, both have equal priority, addition and subtraction. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 18 minus 2 is equal to 16 plus 2. Now 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Okay, so the correct answer is 18.